Now let me explain CMS to you. CMS stands for Content Management System, and it is used for lists of elements, for, let's say, for a blog, for services, for like items you want to show and easily edit in the CMS instead of the design. The big advantage of it is that you don't have to create a new element for every item. You just need to like fill in the new item and the element or page gets created automatically. So in this template, when I open CMS, we have the FAQ CMS collection and coaching plans CMS collection. You can also create a new one, but I'm gonna not do that here since it's pretty simple when I show you the rest of the things. So if you want to edit the item, you just need to click on it, and let's say I will change the question to what is the name of this template. Answer will be perform. And now when I show you the FAQ section, let me just scroll down there. It is used somewhere here. What is the name of this template? You can see the question. I'm gonna add one more question to show you how new items are added. I will just name it question 2, answer 2, answer. I will save it. I will undraft it because it's new element, so it will save as a draft. And now I'm gonna play the website, scroll down, and you can see the new question is here. Also the previous question we edited is here. So this is how you edit the content of the CMS collection. And now just quickly to show you how the CMS collection works. So let me insert the CMS collection. Here we again see the two collections we have. I will again use the FAQ one. I will paste it here, and right now it seems the content is white, so I will just make it black. I will use heading 2 for that. Let me just fill the frame, again fill and fill. Okay, so here we see the titles of the sections. This is like the collection. This is one element, and there will be all the elements visible here. I also want to see the answers, so I duplicate this element. I change the direction to vertical, so it's like under each other. I make the gap larger here, or let's say like 64 right now. And for this second element, for the content, you see that the question variable is used. But I want to see the answer, so I click on the name of the variable. I click set variable, and I select the answer. And now you can see that under the headings, there is also the answer. I just want to make it smaller, so I will use, let's say, I will use normal paragraph. I will make it centered. I will use gray color for that. And this is how you add the new collection. For example, this service collection is using a component for the card. So you just paste the component into the collection. You paste all the variables for the content, and every card is then gonna be created. You can also sort the collection using filters and sorting. Let's say I want to sort it by title, so now it's alphabetically sorted, and there's much more options. You can explore that on your own. Last thing for the CMS collections is that you can also create CMS pages. So like you can, for each collection, create an index page. So here in this index page, you see every item from that collection. And you can also create, you can also create the detail page. And there will be like the details of the collection. You can add more information from the item there. So let me just put title here. CMS item page. Here I will type CMS items page with S, like as we see all the items, and for each item I'm gonna add a link to the detail page of that item. So this is how you do it. I'm gonna undraft the pages and I will play the FAQ page. So right now we are on the items page. When I click on an item, it takes me to the detail page.